I'm going ahead now and I'm rinsing in between my next batch. I shouldn't have to rinse much because I'm using a lighter color and I'm going to go to a darker color. I'm going to make mango next. Okay, so rinse my machine out. Again, the beauty of our unit is I can open up my door. If I have any product left in there that I want to get out, I can just shoot my water right in. There's a machine out there that has an antiquated design, and you can't do that. It has 4 knobs, and it's a mess. You can't open it up once you have it closed up. Our machine has all the newest technology built into it. The product is always going to give you a nice, smooth quality ice and ice cream because of the evaporator and the blade design on the machine.